Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to view or print a void check on RBC Royal Bank online. We will also put a link in the description below. To start, open the website, then click Sign In. Now, enter your client card or username. After entering, click on Next. Here, enter your password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see a tab for Profile and Account Settings. Click on Profile and Account Settings tab. On the left side menu of this page, you will see tab for Account Management. Click on Account Management. Now, scroll this page to the bottom. At the bottom, you will see an option for void checks. Click on Void Checks. First, you need to select an account. Next, read the important information below. After reading, click on the tick box beside I have read and understood the important information. Then click on Next. And now, your void check is ready. Lastly, click on the Print button. That's how you view or print a void check on RBC Royal Bank online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.